So come to lecture number 2, that example number 8. Convert 1 decimal into 5 into percent. Solution 1 decimal into 5. See 1 decimal to 5 into 100 percentage sign. Now this 1 decimal to 5 can I write 125 by 100. You will retain how? So see decimal take as a 1 after decimal 2 numbers, so 2 0. Now 100 is 100 gone. Your answer will be 125%. Okay. Now we will see some more examples on what? Percent. Example number 9. What percent is 527 gram of 12.4 kg? Okay, we have to change into percent. Question is what percent is 527 gram of 12.4 kg? So see, we have to find the percent of this. So this is in gram and this is in kg. So you need to change this in kg first. So we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So multiply with 1000 and it will change into gram. So when you will multiply, you will get 12,400 gram. Okay, so see decimal after 1, so from 1010 will go, so 12400, so 12,400 gram is there. I have to find the percent. What percent? So the required percent will be what? Well, you have to find out 527. So 527 gram by this gram, and you have to change into what? Percent. So you have to, whenever you change in percent, you have to multiply with 100%. Now see, from 00 gone. Okay. Now you cannot cross it. So what you will do? 527 by 124 you got. If you can cut, yes, 3 times 1 3, 2 2, 3 times 7 20, 1 7. No, you cannot cut. Then what you can do? 527. Okay, from a table of 31 you can cut. 31 times 4, 124, and 31 times 17, 527. See, finally you got 17 by 4%, and you can change into mixed fraction. 4 whole 1 by 4%. 4 times 4 16 plus 1 17 by 4. Again, see in this question what you have to do? What percent is? Now there will be some question will be there, you will find off. So there we will use different percent, but here is there. So it is in gram, so this in kg, you have to change it into gram. So by this number, by this into 100, because we are changing in percentage, so we have to multiply with 100. Okay, now we'll move to example number 10. Example number 10. What percent is 1 minute 12 seconds of 1 hour? Okay, solution. Okay, so first we will try to change into small unit. Hour, minute, second is given. So first we will try to change it what? In second. So 1 minute 12 second will change into smaller unit second. So in 1 minute there is 60 seconds and plus 12 seconds. So when you will add, you will get what? 72 seconds. So now this you have changed in seconds. So this hour also you have to change into second. So in 1 hour there is what? 3600 seconds. Okay. So now both is in second. Now what I told you, then when is there, so your required percent will be what? I told you this. Okay, means I have changed into this by this into what? 100. 20 gun, 30 times 1 36 times 1 36, 36 times 2 72. So your final answer is 2%. So your required percent will be 2%. Now we move to next example, example number 11. So now come to example number 11. Example number 11 is find the value of 4% of rupees 200. Okay, so solution. So you have to find the 4% of rupees 200. It is very easy. 4% of rupees 200 means what? 4% means 4 into 1 by 100. Of means multiply into rupees 200. Okay, means 200. This I can write like this. So now from 20 gun, 4 into 2 what? 8. So rupees 8 is your required answer. Now come to example number 12. Very easy. 4%, 4 into 4, because percent means divide from 100, 200 off means multiply. Now example number 12 is that in an examination, okay, Ramesh gets 60% marks. Okay. If the total number number of marks is, that exam marks is 150. So how many marks does Ramesh get? Very easy. See, you know that total number of that my complete marks is that means English whatever paper is there 150 and you got 60%. Now you have to change it into what? In number. So Ramesh gets what he got? He got 60% of what? 150 marks. It means 60% means I already told you 1 by 100 of means multiply 150. Okay. So from 10 to 10 from D0 to D01, 15 into 6 90. So how much marks he got? He got total 90 marks out of 150. Okay. Now we'll move to example number 13. So now come to example number 13. What is the number whose 22% is 176. So you have to find your number. Okay. So when you have to find your number, you have to not multiply with 100. You have to divide with 100. So suppose let the number is x. Okay. Let the number is x. Because we do not know what is the number there. Therefore, 22% of x is what? 176. Okay. Now, or the 22%, I can write 22 by 100. Same thing. Of x is equal to 176. Or, see, we have to find x. So, 176. This 100 is in divide. So, when it will go that side, it will change into multiply. And this 22 is in multiply. So, when it will come this side, it will change into divide. Now, proceed. 22 times 122. 22 times 8. What? 176. So, therefore, x is equal to what? 8 into 100, 800. So, our required number is what? Therefore, the required number will be what? 800. So, till here I am stopping. Now, with the help of this example, from example number 1 to example number 13, with the help of this example, you can easily solve exercise 52. In next classes, I will go for problems on percent for exercise 53. So, for now, goodbye to all.